Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take a social science book. Take book page number 199. Take children. Have you taken children? Book page number 199? Yes, so already in the previous class we learned in civics unit 1 understanding diversity. Yes, so in this lesson already in the previous class we learned about some popular dances and musics of India. Yes or no children? So have you understood that? Yes, so now once we will recall that, after that we will continue our today topic. Okay children? So now first we learn about musics of India. We recall about musics of India. Okay children? So several styles of musics are practices in India. Okay children? So some of them are, see here, the Hindustani music, Carnatic music, classic Tamil music, folk music, Lavani, Hazil. Okay, so these are the several styles of musics or practices in India. Okay children, so say again all of you, the Hindustani music, Carnatic music, classical Tamil music, folk music, Lavani, Hazi. Okay, again read children, the Hindustani music, Carnatic music, classical Tamil music, folk music, Lavani, Hazi. Okay, so these are the several styles of musics or practices in India. Okay children, okay. Next, popular dances of India. Popular dances of India. So the dance was considered as by celebrated worship and also gesture of thanksgiving and joy. Okay, so dance நம்ம எதுக்குலாம் அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க, ஏஷியன் டைமில் டான்ஸ் எதுக்கெலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா ஒன் ஆஃப் த வே டு செலிப்ரேஷன். ஓகே, செலிப்ரேஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்கும், நெக்ஸ்ட் காடை வர்ஷிப் பண்ணுறதுக்கும், நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கெச்சர் ஆஃப் தேங்க்ஸ் கிவிங். ஓகே, யாராவது நமக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா நம்ம தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லுவோம்ல, ஸோ தட் தேங்க்ஸ் கிவிங் அண்ட் ஜாய். ஓகே, கொண்டாடுறதுக்காகவும் டான்ஸை கன்சிடர் பண்ணாங்க. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஓகே. ஸோ டான்சஸ் ஆஃப் இந்தியா reflects the cultural heritage. Okay, so you can see some of the popular dances of India are Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu, Kathak in North India, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali in Kerala, and Yakshagana Karnataka, Tatriya in Assam, Manipuri in Manipur. Okay children, so these are the popular dances of India. Okay, okay children, have you understood that? Yes, so now today we are going to learn about unity in diversity. Unity in diversity, that means வேற்றுமையிலும் ஒற்றுமை, வேற்றுமையிலும் ஒற்றுமை. Okay, in our country we know we have many languages, we have different languages speak different parts of the country. Yes or no children? Different languages, different dresses, we wear different dresses, we eat different kinds of food, and we celebrate different festivals. Yes, and we follow some different culture. Yes, yes or no children? So we have many difference in our country. Yes or no children? But we all are live together as a brothers or sisters, so that is unique as Indian. Okay, so we all are live together as a brothers and sister, so that is the unique as Indians. Okay children, so that is the unity in diversity. ஓகே, ஸோ அதுதான் வேற்றுமையிலும் ஒற்றுமை. நிறைய வேறுபாடுகள் நம்ம கண்ட்ரியில் நமக்கு இடையே இருந்தாலும் நம்ம எல்லாரும் ஒற்றுமையாக இந்தியன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு உணர்வோடு நம்ம வாழ்கிறோம்ல, ஸோ தட் இஸ் த யூனிட்டி இன் டைவர்சிட்டி. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஓகே ஓகே, ஹேவ் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் கிளியர்? Okay, so diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India. Okay children, so diversity. Okay, so பன்முகத்தன்மை. ஓகே, பன்முகத்தன்மை எல்லா இடங்கள்லையும் நம்ம லைஃப், நம்ம இந்தியாவில் வாழ்கிற எல்லாருக்கும் நம்ம பன்முகத்தன்மை இருக்குது. ஓகே, நிறைய வேறுபாடுகள் இருக்குது. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், பட் வி ஆர் யுனைட்டட் பை த ஸ்பிரிட் ஆஃப் பேட்ரியாட்டிசம். ஓகே ஸோ நமக்கிடையே நிறைய வேறுபாடுகள் இருக்குது ஆனால் நம்ம நாட்டுப்பற்று கொண்டவர்களாக இருக்கோம் ஓகே ஸோ நாட்டுப்பற்று கொண்டவர்களாக நம்ம எல்லோரும் ஒற்றுமையாக வாழ்கிறோம் ஓகே சில்ட்ரன் ஸோ தட் இஸ் த யூனிட்டி இன் டைவர்சிட்டி ஓகே சில்ட்ரன் ஸோ யூ கேன் see some of the symbols like national anthem and national flag reminded us to stay united okay so national anthem and national flag are the symbols okay children so that symbols only reminded us to stay united okay next is celebrations of landmarks events such as Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. So this celebrations days brings us together okay children so this Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti yes so this three celebration festivals every year brings us together yes or no children so these three festivals are national festivals yes or no in our country all the people all the state people celebrate these three festivals yes or no yes so it is the national festival it is the national festival of India okay children okay so this Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti these three festivals every year brings us together and keep the spirit of one nation alive with us okay okay children next India is a multicultural society India is a multicultural society so in our country we follow multicultural yes or no children so India is a multicultural society okay and India awards as a single nation through our common beliefs and customs and cultures practices the freedom struggles and the drafting of our constitution stand as ample evidence to spirit of unity of India okay children okay next India is known for unity in diversity so this phrase was coined by Jawaharlal Nehru the first prime minister of independence India in his book Discovery of India okay so you can see the book page number 199 India is known for unity in diversity so in the phrase in the word சொன்னது யார் அப்படின்னா ஜவஹர்லால் நேரு ஓகே ஸோ வேற்றுமையிலும் ஒற்றுமை அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு வேர்டை சொன்னது யாருன்னா ஜவஹர்லால் நேரு ஓகே ஸோ ஜவஹர்லால் நேரு இஸ் த ஃபஸ்ட்டு பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர் ஆஃப் இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் இந்தியா ஓகே சுதந்திரம் அடைஞ்ச பிறகு ஃபஸ்ட்டு பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர் ஆனவர் யார் அப்படின்னா ஜவஹர்லால் நேரு ஓகே ஸோ ஜவஹர்லால் நேரு அவரோட புக்கில் டிஸ்கவரி ஆஃப் இந்தியா அப்படின்னு ஒரு புக் ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்காரு அந்த புக்கில் அவர் என்ன எழுதியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா யூனிட்டி இன் டைவர்சிட்டி இந்தியா இஸ் நோன் ஃபார் யூனிட்டி இன் டைவர்சிட்டி அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ப்ரேஸ் ஒரு வேர்டை அவர் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காரு அதில் பதிச்சிருக்கிறார் ஓகே சில்ட்ரன் ஸோ ஜவஹர்லால் நேரு வாஸ் த ஃபஸ்ட் பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர் ஆஃப் இண்டிபெண்ட் இந்தியா ஓகே ஸோ his book name is Discovery of India okay so in that book he was coined India is known for unity in diversity okay children have you understood yes so now we have completed this lesson so have you understood clearly children and one more do you know there is in your book V.A. Sumit called India as ethnological museum as a great variety of rascal types exists okay so V.A. Sumit ஒருத்தர் இருக்காரு அவர் நம்ம இந்தியாவை எத்னாலஜிக்கல் மியூசியம் அப்படின்ட்டு குறிப்பிட்டிருக்கார் ஓகே சில்ட்ரன் நம்மளோட இந்தியாவை எத்னாலஜிக்கல் மியூசியம் அப்படின்ட்டு அவர் குறிப்பிட்டிருக்கார் ஓகே சில்ட்ரன் okay because variety of racial okay நிறைய இனங்கள் நம்ம இந்தியாவில் இருக்குது but we all are joined together and live together as a brothers and sister so that is the unity in diversity okay children have you understood clearly yes so now once we will recall now let us go through this lesson okay children so in this lesson we saw diversity means difference okay பன்முகத்தன்மை okay okay next we saw variety of landforms in India like mountain plains plateaus, seas and oceans. Okay, so this variety of landforms in our India. Okay, children. Okay, next is social diversity. Now, social diversity is nothing but interdependent of family and society. Okay, children. Okay, next we also see religious diversity in India. So, religious diversity in India refers to India as a birthplace and home of many religions. Okay. Next, linguistic diversity. In linguistic diversity, we came to know that India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages is there. Okay. Next, in cultural diversity, we understood the cultural refers to people, customs and practice, languages, dress codes, cuisines, religion, music, arts and architecture. Okay. So, in the diversity in music, different styles of music like Hindustani, Carnatic, classical Tamil, folk, Lavani, Kasi. Okay. Next, popular dances. We came to know about Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Manipuri, Chatriya, Odissi, Kathakali, Yachagata. Okay. And finally, unity in diversity. India is multicultural society united by the spirit of patriotism. Okay, children. So, these all we learned in this lesson. Okay. Have you understood clearly, children? Have you understood clearly now? Yes. So, now all of you have to read this lesson fully. Okay, children. Okay. Yes. So, now all of you take a social classwork. We are going to write some classwork now. Take a social classwork note, children. All of you take a social classwork. Write continuously. First of all, write today date and day in your classwork note. All of you write today date and day, children. After that, write today classwork. Who am I? Write neatly. Your handwriting should be neat, children. Who am I? Have you written? Yes. So, first, who am I? I was the first Prime Minister of independent India. First letter capital, children. I was the first Prime Minister of independent India. I was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Did you write question, children? Yes. Then you can write the answer. Next line. Answer you have to write in separate line. Okay, children. Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, first letter should be capital. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru. First letter capital, children. Jawaharlal Nehru. Did you write, children? I was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, then you can leave one line. Now you can leave one line. Did you write question and answer? You can leave one line. Otherwise, you don't leave the line. Okay, children? Yes. So, write second one. Leave one line and write second one. I called India as an ethnological museum. I called India as an ethnological museum. I called India as an ethnological museum. Answer V.A. Sumit. V.A. Sumit. V.A. Sumit only called India as an ethnological museum. Okay, children. So, V.A. Sumit. First letter capital. Okay. Did you write second who am I, children? Yes. Now you can leave one line and write third one. Leave one line and write third who am I? I am the popular dance of Tamil Nadu. I am the popular dance of Tamil Nadu. I am the popular dance of Tamil Nadu. Did you write question, children? Yes. So you can write the answer in next line. Answer Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam. I am the popular dance of Tamil Nadu. Answer Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, first letter capital. Okay, Bharatanatyam. Okay, children, did you write third one? Third one finished? Question and answer? Yes, so you can leave one line and write fourth one. I am the first classical dance in 2004. I am the first classical dance in 2004. I am the first classical dance in 2004. Answer Tamil. Answer Tamil. Answer you can write next line, children. Okay, answer in separate line. Okay, I am the first classical dance in 2000. Sorry, I am the first classical language in 2004. I am the first classical language in 2004. Answer Tamil. Classical language, not dance. Sorry, children. I am the first classical language in 2004. Answer Tamil. Okay, then you can leave one line and write fifth one. I am the land of lowest rainfall. Answer Jaisalmer. I am the land of lowest rainfall. Answer Jaisalmer. Okay, children, did you write this 5 who am I? Yes, so now we are going to read, children. All of you listen. Who am I? First one, I was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, I called India as an ethnological museum. Ethnological museum. Answer V.A. Sumit. I am the popular dance of Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam. Third one, I am the popular dance of Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam. Then fourth, I am the first classical language in 2004. Answer Tamil. I am the first classical language in 2004, Tamil. Then fifth one, I am the lowest rainfall, Jaisalmer. Okay, I am the land of lowest rainfall. Answer Jaisalmer. Okay, children, can you read now? Did you write who am I, children? Yes, so you can leave one line and write complete the sentence. Leave one line and write complete the sentence. So first one, first sentence, Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. So you can underline the oldest Dravidian language. You can underline the oldest Dravidian language. Okay, children? Okay. Next, you can leave one line and write second, complete the sentence. India is a secular country. India is a secular country. That means Mata Sarbatra country. Okay. So you can underline a secular country. India is a secular country. Okay, then third one, you can leave one line and write the third sentence. Physical and climate features determine the economic activities of a region. Physical and climate features determine the economic activities of a region. Physical and climate features determine the economic activities of a region. Physical and climate features determine the economic activities of a region. So you can underline determine the economic activities of a region. You can underline the economic activities of a region. Did you write, children? Third, complete the sentence. Did you underline? Yes. So you can leave one line and write fourth one. India is a land of unity in diversity. So you can write India is a land of unity in diversity. So you can underline unity in diversity. India is a land of unity in diversity. You can underline unity in diversity. Okay. Then you can leave one line and write fifth sentence. India has 122 major languages. You can underline 122 major languages. Okay, fully you can underline, children. 122 major languages. Okay, did you write 5 sentences, children? India has 122 major languages. Did you write 5 sentence, children? Yes. So now we are going to read. All of you listen. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian languages. Okay, Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Then second, India is a secular country. Third one, physical and climate features determine the economic activities of a region. Then fourth, India is a land of unity in diversity. Okay, then fifth one, India has 122 major languages. Okay, children, can you read now? Love you read once. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Second, India is a secular country. Third one, physical and climate features determine the economic activities of a region. Fourth one, India is a land of unity in diversity. Then fifth, India has 122 major languages. Okay, can you read now? Yes. So today class work, who am I, and complete the sentence only. Okay, children. So today you should study this who am I and complete the sentence and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children. Yes. So now all of you take your homework note. Have you taken homework note, children? Yes. So now first of all we have to check the previous class homework, children. So already in the previous class I give 2 examples. Yes or no, children? Give 2 examples homework. Yes. So did you finish? Did you write correctly, children? Yes, I hope you have written correctly. So now once we will check the answer. Okay, children. So popular dance of India. If you didn't write, you can write now. Okay. All of you should write every day the homework the day itself. Okay, children. So now all of you have to check the answer. First one, popular dance of India. So you can write any 2 dance. Okay, I am given Bharatanatyam and Kathakali. You can write another 2 dance also correct only. Okay. Next is second, popular music of India, Hindustani music and Carnatic music. Okay. Then festival, Pongal, Christmas. You can write another 2 festival also, that also correct only, children. Then fourth, religion, Hindu, Christian. You can write Sikh, Muslim. Yes, so like that you can write other 2 religion also correct only. Okay. So first one, popular dance of India, Bharatanatyam, Kathakali. Popular music of India, Hindustani music, Carnatic music. Festival, Pongal, celebrate Christmas. Religion, Hindu and Christian. Okay, children. Have you written? Have you checked the answer, children? Have you written correctly? Yes. So now write today homework. Today homework in your book. Okay, you can take your book, children. You can take your social science book. Today homework in your book. Okay, you have to write the answer in your book itself. Okay, children. Yes. So all of you take page number 200. Take page number 200. Take book page number 200. So you can see page number 200. So there is the exercise, book exercise. Yes or no, children? So that exercise you have to finish now, today. Okay, children? So that is the today homework. Okay, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks, match. Yes. So that all you have to finish today. Okay, children? That is the homework today. So book page number 200 and 201. Okay, the 2 pages today your homework. You have to write the answers in the book itself. Okay, children? The next class we will correct the answer. Okay, children? Okay. Okay, so this is the homework. You have to do it in your book itself. Okay. And you should study today classwork, who am I, and complete the sentence and write and see in your rough note. Okay, children? Yes. Then next class we will see the new lesson. Okay. Yes. So have a nice day. I love you. Study every day. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye. See you.